Hi, I am Samantha Santana, and today I will be showing you how to install our peel and stick wallpaper. The first thing you are going to need to do is dust your walls. Then clean using rubbing alcohol, cleaning your baseboards as well. Make sure your walls are very clean. Once the walls are clean, take off the outlet plates. Grab your wallpaper and paddle included in your order. I recommend hanging wallpaper with 2 people. Level the wallpaper at the top first. Only peel the wallpaper every 12 inches or so you can smooth it out as you go and prevent the sticky part from folding in on itself. Once your first roll is up, continue to hang your wallpaper rolls. When you get to an outlet, you can create a little door by cutting the wallpaper. It will help the rest of the wallpaper lay flat. Then cut excess wallpaper around the outlet. Once you are finished hanging all the wallpaper panels, you can trim the excess wallpaper at the baseboards with a fresh blade. It is not necessary, but if you would like to trim the overlap for a more seamless look, do the following. The overlap is called a double cut. Take your sharp blade and make a natural cut down the middle of the overlap. Peel the top overlap off first. Slightly lifting up the wallpaper, remove the second overlap, which is underneath. Sometimes with older walls, there can be knots in the wall that make it bubble up. All you need to do is make a small hole with a needle so you can smooth out any excess air, and the wallpaper will lay flat. Add your finishing touches and voila! For more information on installation, please visit our website, samanthasantana.com.